Now, inevitably, on your to-do list, there's probably a few plumbing repairs that are needed around your home. Now, plumbing repairs are very important because they can cost you a lot of money in wasted water, and they really serve as a general kind of an aggravation if you have a situation like this where you have a slow draining tub. It's harder to keep the tub clean, and it's not as healthy as it would be if the water drained very quickly like it should. Now, something like this is very easy to repair, and it starts with removing the excussion to gain access to the drain assembly.
The problem is that very often the drain assembly, which opens and closes the drain, depending on which way you move the handle, can become so clogged with hair and debris that it doesn't operate properly. The bottom end, or bell of this one, was full of gunk that no doubt was slowing the flow of water. To get out even more gunk, I'm using a little tool called a drain stick. This 2-foot long flexible rod has tiny bristles on one end, just like a small hairbrush, that are great for snagging hair and goo in the drain and pulling it all out. For an even more direct attack on the clog, you can remove the drain grate itself to get to the debris trapped inside there as well. As you clear out the clog, it's a good idea to run fresh water through it to wash away the small debris you may have knocked loose from inside the pipes. Then you can replace the drain grate and drain assembly when the water is flowing freely again.
Our tub drain is working a lot better now, and it only took just a few minutes to remove the debris once we disassembled the drain assembly.